Rista mods, Pro Touring, tributes, replicas, copies. Whatever. They used to be called hot rods. And it seems there's at least one shop in every county striving to pump modern ability under old sheet metal and sell the result as something new. Write a big enough check to companies like Detroit Speed, which is, for some reason, in North Carolina, and you will get a '69 Camaro much faster than a new one. Sign up with Icon 4x4, and that Los Angeles company will create a hyper-detailed version of, well, almost anything you like. Then there's the subject here, climbing out of legacy classic trucks in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, a recreation of the beloved four-wheel drive NAPCO Chevrolet pickup produced in small numbers during the 1950s. That's NAPCO as a Northwestern Auto Parts Company, a Minneapolis firm established in 1918 and well known for supplying four-wheel drive components during World War II. With the war over, and at a time when most OEMs weren't yet building their own 4x4 pickups, the company put its expertise into building conversions. Most famously, NAPCO was selling kits that upgraded a Chevy or GMC half-ton truck to four-wheel drive. When GM introduced its own factory-built 4x4 pickups for 1960, NAPCO's conversion business dried up. Throw in a few rounds of corporate shenanigans, and eventually NAPCO was absorbed into the Dana Corporation and the brand died. I called Dana about the brand, Size Legacy founder and owner Winslow Bent. No one there seemed to know. Such is the fate of all things to fade into obscurity. Well, not that obscure.